If a person tell you that you are not perfect for me, don't be cry. If you think properly, you can understand that he's not deserve you. Wait for a better person who will love you as you are, no matter how expensive ghee is. The dog's stomach does not tolerate it. He also said that this is not perfect for me, so the price of ghee does not decrease. It means you are also expensive, but not for everyone. If you love a girl, don't do these 5 things. Never give her expensive things without her talk before your love is accepted, because the girl will laugh at you but you don't get love. Never disrespect her. If you save her respect, you get love from her, because the girl never forget the person who saved her respect. Never speak bad of our family members, because girl don't like it. So do good things for our family member. Never insult her. If you insult her in front of everyone, she will hate you. If you doubt her on small things, you will never get love from your favorite person.